I'm in the process of making a hyperlapse. I wanted to make a PSA message here. I've been getting multiple fake drone requests via email. This person keeps changing their name, but the email kind of remains the same. They're looking for aerial photographs of a site. That location in each email changes. I got one for Madison, Wisconsin, and then I got one for Verona. But the details are the same. They want the same shots. They provide the same shot list in both of these emails that I've gotten. Different names for the person. So I'm going to include a sample of their email and their email addresses. So hopefully this will save other drone pilots time. I spent a good chunk of a day writing back and forth with this person until I realized that it was just a scam. The thing that really irks me is that they use COVID-19 in their email as a reason why they can't do the surveying themselves. They say, "I'm sorry I can't place at the moment due to my condition. Let me know if this is what you can do." In my experience, they seemed really pushy about getting a quote. So I'm not really sure what their angle is if you continue to converse with this person. I know from searching on the web that there are many people who've been affected by this scam. With a simple Google search, I was able to find that other people were getting the same email, even out in New Jersey, and now it's just reached Wisconsin. So I'm tending to think that the initial email is just a spam message, and then when they follow up, and then the sequential emails I think are actually written by the person, because I did notice sometimes the colors of the emails changed, like they were copying and pasting. Overall, really sketchy and annoying. I want to save your time so that you're not dealing with writing emails to a fake person. Just a heads up, hope you're all doing well out there and enjoying this beautiful weather.